Hey everyone, welcome to HowToBrowser YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to check iPhone parts if are original or not. Okay, maybe you bought a iPhone, refurbished iPhone, and you want to check if there aren't any any shady business there. If the first of all, if the iPhone is original. You just want to check the validity of the iPhone and also any other information that you might be interested in to find out. That's a great solution, and I found this software when I bought a reused iPhone SE at a really cheap price. I just wanted to have test, actually to use it to create some tutorials with the iPhone, not because of personal use. Um, so let me show you what you need to do. But before doing that, don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more tutorials. Now guys, what you want to do is to go to your default browser, and here in your default browser, what you need to do is to search for 3uTools. That's the website that you need to look for. It's very simple. Go to Google, and here guys on Google type 3uTools, download. Very easy. And now go to the best all-in-one tool for iOS users. Indeed, that's a very good tool. I'm not sponsored or any type of that, so that's just my review. I use this software for a really long time and it works great. Don't even have to pay for it, so it's awesome. And download this, tab on download, and I wait a couple of minutes. I already installed this software. Okay, after you waited, and now this file has been installed or downloaded on your computer. Now just agree with terms and conditions and tap on install. It'll take only a few seconds or minutes, depends on your computer. Wait only a couple of seconds. 1, 2, 3. Auto match. Okay. So now let's launch. Yes, and by the way, guys, you need the USB so you can to connect your iPhone with this computer, with your computer or laptop, wherever you're using. And now after you unlock device, tab on trust, you'll please connect iDevice to PC using USB cable. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, I connected now my iPhone, and you need to unlock your phone. Now I'll just type my password, and now it's connecting device. As you can see here, it's loading. So now I'm getting this notification. A notification just popped out. Trust this device. Your settings and data will be accessible from this computer when connected wirelessly or using a cable. So I tapped on trust, and now I need to type the password again. Now I just need to wait a couple of seconds, and as you can see, reading iDevice info, that's the iPhone that I bought. It was really cheap because the iPhone is really old, 2018. I think it's from charge times. Yeah, the battery is draining really fast. Battery life 80%. Jailbroken, no. Activated, yes. You can see a crash analysis, serial, disk type, CPU, cells, warranty date. Tap on here if you want to check the warranty date, and Apple ID lock on, iCloud on. And now if you want to view verification report, tap on it, and here you'll see something very interesting is like you can see device model. Okay, you can see the cellular data, the cellular hard disk capacity, the front camera, everything is normal. And there's not, like as you can see, the testing score is 98%. The battery life. So I hope this video helped you. As you can see, guys, from here you can check your iPhone's parts if they are original. And that's all you need to do. I hope this video provides you value. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you guys in the next video. Take care.